Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete chats 24 hours after viewing on your account on Snapchat, easy and quick. First, choose any chat and hold on it like this, and here click chat settings, and here click delete chat, and here you will find 24 hours after viewing. Click on it and it's gonna be deleted after 24 hours, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.